Consumer program is proudly brought to you by Ali's Snack Attack Takeaway, Raza Oriental Plaza.
Sobilu sabta swara 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 sundarule Bajimbe manasa sobilu sabda 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 swara Nabi Rekantarasana Nabi Rekantarasana Nabi Rekantarasana Nabi Rekantarasana Nabi Rekantarasana Nabi Rekantarasana Pamaga, ni pamagari sa ni sa sa, maga pamani pa, gani gari sa gama pani sa sa, pani dari pamaga, ni pamagari sa ni sa sa, maga pamani pa, gani gari sa gama pani sa sa, pasani pamani ni mani gama gama pasa pamagari sa sa, magari sa ni pamagari sa gama pani sa sa ni pamagari sa ni gari sa magari sa pamani pamagari sa ni pamagari sa ni Sagama pani sa ni pani sa ni sa gari sa magari sa ni pani sa gari sa magari sa gama ni ma pasa ni pa ma ni sa gari sagama pani so dillo sabda swara sundarule Bajimbe manasa so dillo sabda swara Riksha madunalo, riksha madunalo, riksha madunalo, riksha madunalo, Paragayatri Ritayamudha, riksha madunalo, Paragayatri Ritayamudha. Surabhu sura manasamuna 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 Sumatyagaraju niyana Surabhu sura manasamuna Sumatyagaraju niyana Sasa pani sani pamaga ni pamagari sani sasa maga pamani pa sani gari sa gama pani sa pani sani pa maga ni pa magari sani sa sa maga pa mani pa sani gari sa ga ma pa ni sa sa pa sani pa mani ni mani pa maga ma pa sa pa magari sa sa magari sa sa ni pa ma magari sa sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma magari sa sa ni sa gari sa magari sa pa mani pa magari sa sa ni pa magari sa ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni sa gari sa magari sa ni pa ni sa gari sa magari sa ga ma ni ma pa sa ni pa ma ni sa gari sa ga ma pa ni so lo da da swara sundarole patimbave manasa so lo sapta swara
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Let's go. This is your radio. Your station.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Tatadin, tatadin, takatadin, tatadin, 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 takatadin, tatadin, takatadin, tatam,
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Once again, to all those that have joined in, my humble vanakkam, namaskaram, and greetings to one and all. Welcome to Phoenix FM 105.4 and the South India Sampradaya, brought to you every Sundays between 3 and 5 p.m. Well, this is a lovely Carnatic program that I have put together in celebrating of the second week of Pratasi. Everything have come true. It is said that in our entire lifetime, we should listen to the Shri Veerabhaga Vasantaraya Sanithiram. And whatever that the Lord will want to bestow on you, He shall give it with open hands. Therefore, I humbly ask friends, family, respected elders across the world, please join me this coming Saturday between 3 and 5 p.m. as I will be reading the Shri Veerabhaga Vasantaraya Sanithiram live on Phoenix FM 105.4. And you can also join the live stream that's on Facebook. That's the Spiritual Journey of Hinduism by Sage. We will also be streaming through Mauritius. That's Lake Gopram. And I hope that Even if you want to also do your prayer in between. I know many of us on a Saturday, we will do our prayer to Lord Venkateswara. You're more than welcome to do your prayer while you listen to the reading of the Sri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sannithiram, or even if you just want to meditate onto the Lord's name. I think the Lord Himself will grant you nothing but the best wishes in life. I certainly am to that. And the Lord Venkateswara had blessed me in this entire lifetime. I recall about 3 years ago, I sat on the same seat that I am today on Phoenix FM. And I had this vision when I joined this #1 radio station. And that was for me to share my knowledge, especially the reading of the Sri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sannithiram. I have already put the program together, and that will be a lovely Harikatha. A Harikatha is a storytelling about story and music. So I didn't want to bore anyone. I humbly once again extend this grand invitation to one and all. Please join me this coming Saturday between 3 and 5 p.m. as I will be reading the Sri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sannithiram. We will now get into our last hour of my program, and this is the Pancharatna Kritis composed by Swami Tyagaraja. Our first Pancharatna is by Dhyanam Muttulingam in the Ragam Nate. Please enjoy.
Make a sound judgment with Razak Sound. For quality sound, video, lighting and stage decor, contact Razak Sound. No jobs too small or too big. We do it all. Call Solly on 084 363 7862 or Zainul on 084 661 7862. Razak Sound. Quality you can't refuse. Powered by Phoenix FM.
WhatsApp
Phoenix FM
on 067 382 2623.
Ah
WhatsApp
Phoenix FM
on 067 382 2623.
Our second Pancharatna Kriti is by the Swaraleya Music Academy, and this is in the Ragam Gaula.
Let's go. This is your radio. Your station.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
నింపకిరికి నట్టి జోడు పమ పని రి మ పని పని సారి మ పని సాని పమ మరి రి స డోడు ధనమది భూమిని సౌఖ్యపు జీవనమేయనటు సదా దినములు గడిపే డోడు రి మమ సరి రి పని సరి పమ మరి సని పమ పని సరి మరి సని సారి మరి రి సని పమ సని పమ ని పమ రి సజోటు తెలియని నట విద శుశ్రులు వనికల సవచ మౌట ఉపదేశం చిసంత జిల్ సరళయంబులు గగను శిలాత్ముడై సుభాగను సమాన మనుడోటు సరి 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 కమరి పమరి ని పమ సని పమరి రి స సని పరి సని ప సని పమని పమరి స సని పమరి స డోటు దృష్టికి సారం బహుళన సదనాటసేన వితగనాటులను దేవాది దేవనరణం మిహిళనాకనుపదా ప్రవచనం మరచిన డోటు పమరి సని పప సని పమరి మ పని ప సని పరి మరి మ సరి మరి సని పని సరి సని పమరి మ పని పమ మరి సడోటు చక్కని ముఖ కమలం పునను సదా నామదిలో స్మరణ లేఖని దుర్మతాంగ జనన కోరి పరిత కముల చేత గిలి దుర్విజయ గుర చలను రోయలేక సతతమ పరాలి చపల చేతుడైన రోడ్డు సరి సని సరి రి సని సరి మామ సరి మారి మ సరి స పప మారి సరి మ పరి మరి పమరి పామరి మ సరి మరి స పని పని పమ పమరి పమరి మ పని పని సరి మ పని పమరి రి స సరి రి మరి మ సరి మరి సని పని సరి సని పప మరి స డోటు మానవతను దుర్లభమనుచునించి పరమానందముందలేక మదమత్సర కామలోభమూలకు దాసులై మోసబోడిదాక మొదటి కులచుదగు చుగు విధి శూద్రుడు పనులు సల్వనుచునడిని కాక ధనాగములను కోరి సాధహీన మతములను సాధింపతారు మారుడోటు
Hello, listener. I am Haya Gopala Marude. I am from Reunion Island, and you are listening to Sage on the South India Sampradaya.
We have now come to the third Pancharatna Kriti, and this is by the Swaralaya Music Academy in the Ragam Arabi.
This is it. If it's on top, we're surely playing it. Yo, what's up?
Phoenix FM 105.4.
a sound judgment with Razak Sound. For quality sound, video, lighting and stage decor, contact Razak Sound. No job's too small or too big. We do it all. Call Solly on 084 363 7862 or Zainul on 084 661 7862. Razak Sound. Quality you can't refuse. Powered by Phoenix FM.
I trust that you are enjoying my program, a lovely 1 hour of the 5 gems of Swami Tyagaraja, that is the Pancharatna Kritis. The 4th Pancharatna in the Ragam Varali by my Guru Acharya Ratna Ise Salvamani V. Karthikesan play.
Phoenix FM 105.4. It's what we play. 105.4. It's what we play.
WhatsApp
Phoenix FM
on 067 382 2623.
As we have come to the fifth and last Pancharatna Kriti, and this is by the Swaralaya Music Academy in the Ragam Shri, and thereafter we will conclude this evening's program with a lovely Swami Tyagaraja traditional Mangalam.
Breaking news, the Phoenix FM radio station is in partnership with the largest community newspaper on the North Coast. The North Coast Rising Sun is the voice and heartbeat of the North Coast and its surrounding areas, providing quality advertising, exceptional editorial content, high quality printing, and the most efficient distribution service week after week. We are the largest community newspaper coming right to your doorstep. Reader or advertiser, make the switch. It will add value to you and your business. It's the right thing to do. Call us on 031 507 7761 or WhatsApp us on 060 9915 731.
Jamat, Tamoguni Jamat, Tamutu, Tupado Sunu Sella, Tamutu, Salaya, Tigana Mula Tedeva, Yintedoma, Arano, Amudu, Tamopari, Dari, Sari, Dari, Sani, Pami, Sari, Dari, Sari, Mapa, Pami, Sari, Mapani, Mapani, Sani, Dari, Dari, Sani, Papa, Mari, Dari, Sani, Yintedoma, Arano, Amudu, Hari Guna Mani, Hoyas, Gunanu, Yashamu, Kalava, Yintedoma, Arano, Mapani, 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 Pamari, Dari, Sani, Mapani, Nisa, Nipani, Sari, Dari, Sari, Mapani, Pani, Mapani, Dari, Sari, Mapa, Mapa, Nipani, Mapani, 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 Sari, Dari, Sani, Pamapani, Nisa, Nigari, Nigari, Sani, Sari, Sani, Pamapani, Mari, Mapani, Pasani, Pamari, Dari, Sani, Aroma, Arano, Namo
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Once again, to all those that have joined in, my humble vanakkam, namaskaram and greetings to one and all. As we have come to the end of my program this evening, I want to thank all of you that have joined in either on our FM or on my Facebook. Thank you for your love and your support always. Please join me this coming Saturday, that's the third week of Pradasi, or as we call it, Venkateswara Vardamo, this coming Saturday between 3 and 5 p.m. as I have the utmost pleasure in reading of the Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sanitiram live on Phoenix FM 105.4 and the South India Sampradaya. Before we do conclude this evening's program, I would just like to give you an insight about what exactly is the Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sanitiram. It is a book of prophecies, predictions, and speaking about the Lord and the sins that actually takes place on earth. This book has been published thousands of years ago, but the predictions and the prophecies that's been said in this book is coming true or slowly coming true in this Kali Yugam. I humbly appeal to all of you listeners, those that are on our live stream and across the world. Please join me this coming Saturday between 3 and 5 p.m. It is said that if you do listen to the story of the Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sanitiram once in your lifetime, the Lord Himself will grant you nothing but the best wishes in life. I recall back then in the barracks, in the third week, I used to be a small boy and our elders used to read this Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sanitiram. First, it is a book that needs to be respected in this Kali Yugam. There used to be utter silence, a special havan that used to be done to open of this book, and thereafter the reading continues with utter silence in the duration of that book. It normally takes about 2.5 hours to 3 hours with the explanations, and I am very honored in reading that book on Phoenix FM 105.4. It will be done in a Harikatha format, meaning it will have the story and the song in between, not to bore all of you. If you do want to do your prayer, I know most of us on a Saturday will be doing the prayer to Lord Venkateswara at about 3 p.m. So if you would like to do your prayer while listening to this program, please be my guest and do so. If you want to do Abhishekam to the Lord, or even if you just want to meditate on the Lord's name, I humbly appeal to all of you in joining me. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that we all get in listening to the Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya Sanitiram. Many of us cannot go to temples due to whatever reason. Therefore, I have brought in the Shri Veerabhoga Vasantaraya reading on Phoenix FM 105.4. I humbly appeal once again to all of you, please join me this coming Saturday between 3 and 5 p.m. This coming Sunday also will be a lovely Navaratri program, and that program will be from 6 to 8 p.m. I bring to you nothing but the best in promoting of South Indian local artists. We will now conclude this evening's program. I want to take this opportunity to wish one and all a very happy and blessed third week of Venkateswara Vardamo, or as we know it as Pradasi. May the great Shri Venkateswara shower his richest blessings upon one and all, and may there be peace on earth. Till this coming Saturday, thank you, Dhanyavadamu, and I am signing off.
This is it. If it's on top, we're surely playing it. Yo,
Phoenix FM 105.4.
ముదాకరాద మోదకం సదా విముక్తి సాధకం కళాధరావతం సకం విలాసి లోకరక్షకం. வாழ்த்துகள். இதுல வேஷமொழி மற்றும் நீங்கள் முனிவருடன் தென்னிந்திய சம்பிரதாயத்தை கேட்கிறீர்கள்.
పవమాన సుతుడు బాటు పాదార విందములకు నీ నామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం. రాజీవనయన త్యాగ రాజాధి వినుతమైన నీ నామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం. జయ మంగళం శుభ మంగళం.